Me being a counselor, it's cool to see the younger kids grow and learn, and it's really inspiring for future music educators myself.
So it's for anybody who's interested in jazz. It's mostly for high school kids who are interested in the music and just want to improve. It was founded 11 years ago by Niess, our professor of trombone.
Even though there are great workshops, we felt that we needed one that would show students how and why jazz works. So this is important for music education because it takes out the mystery of what jazz musicians are doing.
The students can choose a performance track, audio engineering track, an arranging track, or an observer track. Observer track is for the adults who attend.
It certainly opens your mind to the reality of music and opportunities that music gives you, and it's really, really cool being able to work with some of the greats in the music industry. They're really learning a lot, and it's really cool. I wish I definitely could have had the opportunity to do this when I was younger.
In the recording track, students work with Professor Golder O'Neill in the studio, and they learn basics of recording. Towards the end of the week, they actually record one of the small groups in the studio and mix it as well.
One of the highlights is the arrangers who choose the arranging track get to hear their music that they've composed in only a couple of days at a Friday morning reading session. I think the best thing for the performance track in particular is that these kids in high school work on their music for literally months to get ready for a performance or a competition. And here they have to put this together in just a few rehearsals, so it gives them a real professional feel.
It's definitely different every time. I definitely get different things out of it. But every single time it definitely propels me forward to being a better musician.
They give you so many tools, it can be overwhelming, but they keep on explaining how it's whatever you learn is not just through the week. You don't use just those tools for the week and then you're done. This is stuff you can use for like the rest of your life.
Students who've participated in NJW and then either gone on to Shenandoah or somewhere else, have gone on to graduate school, have won jobs in some prestigious bands, and have made careers out of music.
So it's really a workshop for all. We've had as young as 13, 14, and we've had people in their 70s be here, and we have a great time.
It's purely up to you, what you set your mind to, what you accomplish, and the goals that you want to achieve, and it's all a mindset, and I think that's really cool, especially for these younger kids here, because they realize that you can achieve anything you put your mind to.